top headlines coming today is that Indian-bound Australian players who were participating in the 14th edition of the Indian Premier League to receive worth millions even after missing the tournament. After that, we will see Sunil Gavaskar say on what type of captain Rishabh Pant is going to be that he thinks. At the very end, we will see top Australian cricketers come together and contribute for UNICEF Australia, helping for the COVID-19 cases in India. Everything here on News Tracker. Hello everybody and welcome to News Tracker. My name is Sanjit Kango, and if you are wondering what is going on new in the cricketing world, well, you're at the right place. We talk about everything related to cricket here and bring to you the latest news. So I don't want to miss any other video, which is why if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to do it right away. The Australian cricketers who were part of the 14th edition of the Indian Premier League are to receive money worth millions even if they do not return for the remainder of the tournament. Like most of us, President Sourav Ganguly is still trying to figure out what went wrong during the IPL and why the COVID cases inside the bio bubble started increasing so rapidly. It is believed that it was mainly because of travel from venue to venue, but we can't really be sure of that. The BCCI definitely want the tournament rolling underway, otherwise they will be incurring a loss of 2,500 crore rupees. All the Aussies have big fat contracts, and however since 2011 the franchisees cover insurances for situations like this. And in this situation, for the cancellation of the tournament, the Aussies will be receiving worth millions of dollars because of the insurance. Former Indian batting legend Sunil Gavaskar said that Rishabh Pant has the potential to be a very good captain. The veteran recognized this temperament as a captain is as good as the skill on the field. Rishabh Pant led the Delhi Capitals in the 14th edition of the Indian Premier League in the absence of the former captain Shreyas Iyer, as he injured his shoulder during the England tour and had to undergo a surgery, which is why he was not part of the squad. And in spite of Shreyas Iyer not being there, Rishabh Pant did a fantastic job to make sure Delhi was in the top 4. Gavaskar said, and I quote, "The standout team Delhi Capitals under young Rishabh Pant. By the 6th game, one could see that he was getting tired of being asked about being captain. Every presenter at the post-game ceremony had the same question to him. What he showed was the spark that he can become a roaring fire if allowed to burn naturally. Yes, he will make mistakes. Which captain doesn't?" The COVID-19 cases are rapidly increasing in India, wherein we are seeing up to 3.5 lakh cases every day. The COVID-19 also breached the bio bubble and entered the Indian Premier League, which is why it had to be called off midway. After realizing how serious the situation is, a lot of players made their contribution towards the COVID-19 crisis in India. The few of them were Australians, and now more Australians have joined hands in making donations for the COVID-19 relief in India. Players like Pat Cummins, Brett Lee, Ellis Perry, Adam Border, among other few cricketers have joined hand once again for this noble gesture towards India and said, "No one can do everything, but everyone can do something." That is all from us here at the News Tracker. My name is Sanjit Kango and I'll be signing off. Before ending this video, I really want you to comment down and tell me which was the most interesting part for you. Don't forget to like and share this video with all your friends. And I don't want you to miss another video from News Tracker, which is why if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to subscribe it right away. I'll be back soon with some amazing news ahead. Until then, see you all.